My name is Beau Trifiro, and I'm teaching the Skateboard Design and Build class. What we're doing is we're going through the design and construction of a totally custom skateboard deck. So we're starting off with concept sketches, doing some research. From there, we take the sketches and create a computer model of our shapes. Once we have those shapes, that will allow us to create a template, which we'll use later on in the process for cutting. We've also used the sketches to make custom molds. Once they shape the foam molds, they do the glue up process, which is the lamination process. After that, the students will trace their template onto their pressed board. They'll follow their tracing to cut out the shape of their skateboard. Once they do that, they will use some basic woodworking tools to finish. So they'll do some sanding, they'll clear coat their boards, drill the holes, and put artwork on their board. What I hope the students will gain from this is an understanding and a new perspective on how we can apply math and science to real-world applications. A lot of times we go through school doing math problems that seem almost pointless, just like it's practice. And in this class, we're actually using math as a tool to actually make the process easier and make a better final product. I think that it'll give the students some new insight of, next time they're in math or science class, trying to think about how this can be applied elsewhere.
Hi, I'm Shreya, and next week I'm going to be one of the instructors at our Student Tech Junior Scratch Workshop alongside Cheyenne. This workshop is going to include us teaching Scratch programming language, which is a simple language in which you click and drag blocks of code to create interactive stories and games. The workshop will be held next Wednesday from 9 to 2 in the Synthesis Training Room at SDSC, and you can register online at the SDSC website.
My name is Grendziak. I'm 8th grade science teacher in San Diego Unified. I've been involved in the Sea Perch Challenge since 2012. I've adapted a few things. So what I'm doing is a workshop up at UCSD in this extension course with 8th grade or middle school kids and going into high school. And our goal is to build a sea perch, which is an ROV, which is a remotely operated vehicle. And it's actually tethered, so there's a cord that actually connects, and that's how they control it. So what we're doing is we're going to do a few challenges, or we've done a few challenges. One in the pool where we've gone through loops, and then we're going to go down to the ocean. We're going to throw a GoPro on and see what we can see underwater. So a couple things I hope the students get out of this is working as a team, designing, changing as you see fit, etc. So it's an excellent opportunity for kids to work together and to design and, like I said, to think through and solve problems. Excellent for critical thinking.
Again, and today I'll be giving you a tour of the San Diego Supercomputer Center. Welcome to the Supercomputer Center. Over there is the Swartz Center for Computational Neuroscience, and back there is the Synthesis Center, where they hold a lot of summer workshops. So welcome to the first floor. Right here we have the SDSC timeline with events starting from 1985. Basically just everything important that's happened at SDSC. And in here, the computers are all part of the UC Medical School's computer system. In here we have our supercomputers, Gordon, who's blue, and Comet, who's in the back. And some of the other supercomputers in here are owned by people or different organizations. Let's check out the second floor. So So right here we have Meteor, and let's ask Emmy what this is all about.
Okay, so the Meteor is pretty much a mini model of a supercomputer that uses Raspberry Pis, and Raspberry Pis are pretty much like mini computers, and they control all of these monitors, and they can do a ton of different things. Like before, I've seen someone depict algorithms or even play like a huge game of Pong.
So this is my office, room 217, where I work with 2 other interns, and I think Sumia's in there right now. Hi, what are you working on?
Right now we're working on creating blog posts and graphics for the West Big Data Innovation Hub.
So these stairs go to the 3rd floor of the east building, but to get to the west side, you have to take a separate elevator. Now we're at the 3rd floor of the east building. Let's go see if we can find some interns. So here we have another intern. So what are you working on?
I'm installing a program called Amber. It's for molecular dynamics. Yeah, so you model molecules in a supercomputer.
So here's some other 3rd floor interns. Let's see what they're up to. So what are you guys doing?
So I'm looking at a protein structure and a ligand which attaches to a receptor, and I'm trying to detail the interactions that happen between them.
Hi, I'm Mike. So right now I'm trying to figure out how to use something known as a J-panel to make an interactive web base.
And finally, we have the 4th floor, where there are other offices and some other interns working here too. And here's Kiana's office.
Hi, I'm Kiana and I make SDSC TV. This is my office. Here's the board where I write down every segment for the week, and this is where I edit.